In this quick video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to do screen captures, because especially when we're troubleshooting FTP problems, screen captures can be a fast and easy way for me to see what you're doing so that I can give you corrections and let you know how to correct whatever the problem is that you're having logging in to WinSCP. Okay, so order of operations is very important here. The first thing that you need to do is open up a word processing or image editing software. Okay, I am on PC, and so I have Microsoft Word loaded, and so I'm going to drag my Microsoft Word into the viewing screen here. Notice I said that the order of operations is very important. You have to open Word first, okay, in order for this to work properly. So I've opened up Microsoft Word, and I'm going to zoom out on the document some so that you can see the whole page on the viewing screen. Okay, now I'm going to open WinSCP. Okay, and I've got some other stuff open right now. I happen to be working on business. Okay, I'm going to go back in the ITE, go in the WinSCP folder, and I'm going to open the WinSCP. Okay, and I've got bunches of WinSCP connections on here. I'll use the student 29 because that's the one that I usually use for the demonstrations. Please note that when you're logging into WinSCP, all of the students, everybody has a unique student number. Everybody is assigned a directory, and it's a student and a number at feistworks.com. A lot of students sometimes get confused and they will use student 29 as their own username. But in fact, that's not the case. Every student is issued their own number, so you need to get the document. It's a PDF file, and it's linked from both the Unit 5 area as well as the announcements area on Blackboard. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screen capture. I'm going to hit edit the connection, and it brings up the connection configuration screen. And we'll notice that right here, there's nothing in my password because I don't usually save the password for student 29 so that I can do demonstrations. Okay, now on a PC keyboard, you can press with the WinSCP screen active on top. You can press Alt print screen. Okay, the Alt key, I think everybody should know where that one's at. The print screen key can vary, okay, depending on the type of keyboard that you're working on. I'm using a regular keyboard, so I have a print screen key. It's above the insert key. It's next to the F12 key. Okay. If you are on a laptop, you may have to push like a function key. Like, I'm actually working from a laptop right now, although I'm using a full-size keyboard. And if I am on my laptop using the laptop keyboard, for example, I'm looking at the keyboard right now, I would have to push Alt function print screen because the print screen button is shared with some other key, and so I would need to push the Alt function print screen in order to make a print screen. If you are on Macintosh, you're going to need to Google how do you do a print screen, because I don't remember the combination, but you practically need your fingers and your toes. It's like Alt Shift Control 2 and something else. I mean, it's ridiculous. But anyway, I don't know the key combination on a Macintosh. You'll have to Google it, okay? I know it on PC because it's just simple. Alt print screen. Okay, now I took my Alt print screen. I'm going to flip back to Microsoft Word, which is still open underneath all this stuff that I have on the screen right here. And what you will notice is, I'll bring it into the screen here, the paste has now become activated, because when I paste, I can paste the print screens. And my computer is doing this wonderful thing right now where when I press Alt print screen the first time, it erases all the buttons for the first time. So if I go back to WinSCP and do another Alt print screen, it works just fine. So I'll delete this one and I'll paste it again, and now I can see the buttons, except it's really, really tiny. So I'm gonna push the Shift key, and I've got my mouse hovering on the edge of this thing right here. Push the Shift and hold, push and hold Shift, and I'm gonna expand this box. What the Shift does is it expands the box proportionally so that you're not like stretching it out or whatever. Okay, and then so I've got the screen here. I'll go back to WinSCP and maybe press login, and then okay, now this little box that pops up right here. Now I'm going to do another alt print screen to kind of show me what it does. And here again, it erased all the buttons. So I'm going to do a second alt print screen. And your computer probably won't do the erase the buttons thing. And then I'm going to come back in Word, hit enter a few times, and then I'm going to press the paste, and now the new box comes up, and of course it's like super tiny. So I hold the shift key down, stretch it out a little bit so that I can see what's on the box. Okay, so now that I have this document that's got some screen captures in it, I'm going to save this document, and then you can attach it to an email to me, and then this is the fastest way for me to troubleshoot what's going on with your connection, and if there is something that you're doing incorrectly inside WinSCP. So this is a fast and easy way for you to get help from me in a way that's meaningful, because otherwise I don't know how you have it configured. So this should help.